Hi, I'm Craig Ellis and this is Car Charger UK. Now, with all the different EV chargers on the market, it can all get very confusing which ones to buy. Some claiming to be the smartest, some claiming to be the better looking, but what are the very important integral features built into the chargers that you need to be looking for when you're considering which charger to buy? Now, this is our latest 7 kilowatt electric vehicle charger. The indicators here indicate power, charging session mode, fault indicator light, and Wi-Fi connection. It also comes with RFID tags to stop and start charging sessions. It has the built-in Wi-Fi I mentioned before, which connects to an app so you can stop and start charging sessions. One of the key features of the app is scheduled charging. Now, this can be a really beneficial app if your energy provider offers low tariff energy charging hours. You can charge the vehicle between the times which they offer this discount period, making it cheaper to charge your vehicle. But do be aware, time scheduled charging is a feature you need to check with your car manufacturer for compatibility, as when the cars are plugged in, they expect an immediate power supply from the source or within a couple of minutes. And if that's not received, your car may go into fault. So it's important you check this. Now, you may be thinking many of the previously mentioned features of this charger are offered in many chargers on the market, but we're going to discuss two very important safety features that make this charger very unique. The built-in safety devices that this EV smart charger offers are pen fault protection and RCD. Now, many of the early EV chargers didn't offer this, and this presented additional installation costs as part of the overall electrical installation package. So check that the charger you're considering to purchase has these built-in safety protocols, as while it may at first seem competitively priced, without these built-in safety features, there will be additional hidden costs that will need to be included as part of the overall installation package. Now let's head over to one of our installation site managers.
Hi, I'm Xavier and I'm installation manager here at Car Charger UK, and one of our clients has allowed us to film one of our 7 kilowatt tethered charger installations. As Craig has already mentioned, this 7 kilowatt charger comes with some integral features, which is Wi-Fi, RCD protection and pen fault protection. Pen fault protection is earth neutral protection. What that does is make the system know whether the earth and neutral is still connected to the installation. This helps with it protecting you as the end user. Now, if the system did not include a pen fault protection, what we would have to do is install an earthing rod, which I'm about to show you that installation process now. An earthing rod is a solid copper spike, which is about 1.2 meters in height and about 16 mil to 22 mil in diameter. What we had to do here is run that spike into the earth. Obviously, as you can see here, we have waste manhole covers and we may have external gas pipes and water pipes running out of the property. Luckily, we had plans to this property, so we knew where all the pipes were located and made the job easier for us. So if the earth was to become disconnected from the installation for any reason whatsoever, the system would pick it up, as I'm about to show you now. Now the earth conductor has been removed, I'm about to repower the unit and let's see if it turns on. It goes through its normal check mode, the power comes on, but as you can see, the device is showing a fault, which we already know is a pen fault. That means the charger will not operate and will not charge and will not make current flow through this device. And the part we've all come to see, a car actually charging. This system comes with a tethered 5 meter lead, which comes with a type 2 connection, which is perfect for 7 kilowatt charging. And here we have a car coming in to charge now. Here, that allows us to plug our 7 kilowatt in, type 2 charger here. If you follow me back here, the system can start charging in 2 ways. It comes with RFID technology, which you can issue to each family member. That means no one can just drive on your driveway and start charging their vehicle. or it's programmable with a button on the side. As you can see, a silver button on the side that you can program just to as a quick secret function for you and your family. We're gonna activate the RFID, and as you can see, it's initiating charge. And if we go over to the car, as you can see, we've plugged in the charger, and now the car is telling us that it's on charge. It's at 63% charge at the moment, which gives this particular vehicle 115 miles, and it shows us at the bottom that it's charging at 7.15 kilowatts. Just be mindful that vehicle scheduled charging is vehicle dependent, and you must first check with your manufacturer if it is compatible with your vehicle. This particular vehicle is a Porsche Taycan Turbo S, and I'm about to show you what happens when it doesn't receive charge immediately once plugged in. So what I'm about to do, plug the vehicle in, and as you can see inside, we've got the loading wheel awaiting initiation of charge. Now, because I haven't swiped the RFID, there's no power coming to the car. The car is trying to work out what's going wrong here. We already know there's nothing going wrong. It's just that I haven't swiped the RFID, and scheduled charging is maybe a couple hours away. As for the electrical installation, we had a short run down the side of the house with 3-core SWA armored cable, which goes into a 2-way garage board, which we installed a Type A RCBO for additional protection. Although the unit does come with its own Type B RCD, also pen protection, the outside of the unit itself is IP65 rated, so it's pretty much weatherproof, splashproof and jet wash proof if you do wash your car on a drive. So you can see how safe this installation and this unit is in protecting you and your family. Thank you for watching. I hope the video has been really informative. I've been Xavier from Car Charger UK. See you in the next video.